Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you where you can go when you want to add VoiceOver on your iPhone. So if you didn't subscribe, please be sure to subscribe and let's get started. So first, I'm gonna start by opening up my settings. Then I will scroll down where it's written accessibility. And I will click to VoiceOver. It is off and I will turn it on. So I will just scroll right to turn it on and I'll click OK.
OK button. Cancel button. OK.
So this is it. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you are new, be sure to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you guys next time.